guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tuesday again and I'm back, and this has been my most requested video for the longest time. Each of you had been requesting me to do a winged eyeliner tutorial, and I had been waiting to do it because it is kind of my signature style that I always go for winged eyeliner, because I don't know, I'm just obsessed with it. Yes, it takes a lot of time, patience and a lot of practice for the perfect wing, but trust me, you will get it once you have a hand of it. So let's get on the video and see how we do it. So these are the two products that I'm gonna use today for all the eyeliner looks that I'm doing. Basically it's Lakme Iconic and Lakme 9 to 5. I'm creating 5 different eyeliner looks today. So let's see how we'll go about with it. So basically when I'm running extremely late and I just want a normal basic liner, I just take my Iconic and just make a normal basic line. That's how I will show you. So as you can see, this is a very basic liner which is like you can have it for daily basis. It lines your line, as you can see, and without getting into a lot of mess of having a perfect wing and stuff. You can, yes, if you practice really well, you can make wing eyeliner with this as well. Trust me on this, it will have that sharp effect as well. So this is the basic line which I go for if I'm running extremely late. So let's get on to look 2 and we'll go for bold because that's what my personality is. I love being bold. I'll go with the same product. So usually the bold eyeliner look has this very what do you call it, very strong eye with a very little wing. So I'll again go with the same product, that is Iconic, and create the bold eyeliner look. So this is how you create a bold eyeliner. You can make it more bold by adding a little more of the kohl in the eye, but I guess for me this kind of bold is really perfect. So this is the bold eyeliner look. You can have a look. I've created a very little wing in it, not very sharp, but yes, just to give a small wing is more than enough for a perfect bold eyeliner. So let's get on to the third eyeliner, which is the classic look. So for the classic winged eyeliner, I am going for Lakme 9 to 5. Well, this is a liquid liner. For all those people who are beginners, I would suggest, if you are beginner, go for Iconic Kajal, because it is way more easier for to, like, you know, it's way more easier to have the precision with a kajal, a kohl pencil, than a liquid liner, because yes, it needs a very steady hand and a lot of practice to get that perfect wing. So basically we'll start from the inner corner of the eyes. It should be extremely thin in the inner corner and little, like, slightly thicker at the end. So this is how you do your classic liner. It is extremely thin in the inner, as you can see, and a very small wing liner at the end, as you can see right here. But as I said before, this needs a lot of practice. If you do not have a steady hand, I would suggest don't go for this. You can go for your normal Iconic kajal pencil, whichever you are using. And also if you want, you can go for gel based liners, but again the thing is they are a bit on the pricey side, as well as there are very less companies in the market, like beauty brands, that do not produce gel liners. So for the fourth liner, I am going for Drama. I know Drama is quite dramatic kind of liner. It's very it is very bold, it is very sexy, it is, you cannot describe how beautiful Drama is. If you are going for a night out or a party, Drama kind of liner is perfect. And for that I am using again Iconic, because maybe the liquid liner will not do a perfect job as good as an Iconic. So basically for this liner, you will keep a little distance in the inner corner. You will touch the inner corner, but you will have a slight space in between which will be very much visible. So let's get started how we do it. We will be doing our waterline as well. We'll make it little darker than usual. So as you can see, this is the dramatic eyeliner that I have created using kohl pencil, and it just touches your crease line, and you can make this point sharper as well. It completely depends on how you make it, but this is completely dramatic. You can opt for a nice bold liner if you're going for a night out, night parties, and if you do not want smoky eye, you can just lighten up your eyes with this look. Last but definitely not the least, my signature style, that is the winged eyeliner. I use Lakme 9to5 for my perfect winged eyeliner. So let's see how I do it. This is how I do my classic winged eyeliner look. Basically this needs a lot of practice. It will not happen, definitely it will not happen in one go, because yes, you need a lot of precision. You will, one day you might have a right eye going somewhere, one day you'll have your left eye like liner going somewhere, but trust me, practice. It's just all about practice. Once you get a hand on Iconic or any kohl pencil, for that you can start practicing on this, and then you can start using liquid liners and maybe even try a gel liner if you're comfortable for that. So these are the 5 kind of looks. Which is your favorite look? Let me know, comment below and tell me what do you think about this video. If you like this video, please give a big fat thumbs up, and please do keep subscribed to my channel because I come every Tuesday.